Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And today I want to show you one of my favorite products and one of the products I like a lot, and you'll see why. Come on over here. We got this F-150 Ford with a 6.5 foot bed. And what we have on here is the PowertraxPro. Now this is the MX model. And I'm going to show you what I like about this one. You ready for this, guys? Let's go ahead and open this up here. And look at that. I love that thing. And I tell you, when you have longer beds, this is nice. You know, if you have a lifted truck and you just can't reach over to open the cover, this is really convenient. And it does have a really good size LED light in there. And at night, this thing will light up the bed. As you can see, we also put the Bedrug XLT mat. And as you know from my previous videos, I think this is a wonderful product. I have the Bedrug in my personal truck, and he has spray in, so we just did the mat, not the full one. He doesn't really need the sides because it's already spraying. But this is padded, it's comfortable. It keeps the keep it a little nice, and if you pad it here, you can get in there. If you actually do camping, you can lay on it. And of course, if you're laying in here during camping, you can go, oh, you know, time to close this thing up here. I mean, I gotta admit, that's pretty darn cool. Look at it. That's just, and it's such a good looking cover. So, I mean, I just love that. And it's, I mean, it retracts, again, they make a good looking cover. It's with the matte black, it matches the bed caps. And all along, it has a terrific look to it. So, and the nice thing about this, it's really, really easy to use. I mean, look, I go, okay, let's go ahead, open it up. With me, my bad thumb. So. And I showed you a video on the Chevy. Now we got one on the Ford here. And all in all, it's just a nice look. This is a good looking truck. He's got a premium truck. You might as well get the premium cover. He's gonna have this truck a long time, and he wanted something special. And this is something special. This is just a good looking cover and very user friendly, as you can see here. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. If you like what you see, there will be a link on the bottom out here, and you can just go right to my website and take a look at the price and everything else. You can always come by the store and get it, or, you know, just give us a call. And if you like this video, hit like, and always subscribe to the channel. Thank you.